Today's topic is on how to combine multiple Word files into one. So let's get started. I have created three Word files. Topic 1 and topic 2 and topic 3. So now I am combining these three Word files into one. For that, go to insert and there is an option called object. Click on text from file and you can see the three Word files I have created. Just select using the shift key and click on insert key. So you can see now I have merged three files into one. So that's it for this video, and I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe. I would love to see you again.
அச்சமில்லை அச்சமில்லை அச்சமென்பதில்லையே இச்சகத்திலுள்ளோரெல்லாம் எதிர்த்து நின்ற போதினும் அச்சமில்லை அச்சமில்லை அச்சமென்பதில்லையே.